Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vickie. Welcome to my daughter's home. I'm still here at my daughter's, helping her recover from her broken collarbone, helping with the baby while her husband is away for work. And today I wanted to share with you, she and I are doing a healthy eating, and today we're doing a sheet pan meal. So I wanted to take you along as I made this, something healthy that's high in protein, low in carbs, that's very delicious, and it turned out amazing. So let me show you what I threw together, and it turned out great. If you enjoy this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It just tells me you want to see more of these videos. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do that as well. Thank you for watching. We're doing a sheet pan meal. Thought I was filming, once again was not. It's crazy over here, people. Anyway, I've got broccoli florets. I cut the stems off. I'm peeling sweet potatoes and dicing them. And then we're going to add some chicken breast, some thin sliced chicken breast, so they will get done at the same time. I don't really care about the chicken. I like the veggies myself. But I think it'll be good. She's playing with that thing behind the door. You hear it? Yeah. Brinley's been testing out Courtney's child-pressing game, Courtney. She's been playing with the outlet covers and the door jambs. She wants to make sure they work properly. I'm being funny, but it is funny. She keeps playing with it. Okay, I just finished cutting up all the sweet potatoes and broccoli. I am drizzling avocado oil over them really generously. You could use olive oil. And then I'm just going to put salt and pepper on them generously as well. And I'm also using some garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on there. Put half off a piece of leg and a thigh over here for him to eat, because he would like that. And I'll go ahead and put the wing too, by the way. I'm going to put one here and one here and one here. I'm going to put some pepper. Garlic powder. And a little bit of avocado. Okay. Alright. There's our sheet pan meal. Going in the oven for
What's the next 5 minutes?
30 minutes. Okay, here's our sheet pan meal with our chicken and sweet potatoes and broccoli. I've got some roasted chicken pieces over here for Papa. Got some sourdough bread from Wild Grain. And this is what we're going to have for dinner. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or a like. It really helps my channel out. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your comments, your shares, and your likes. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube community. I really enjoy doing these videos, and I want to bring you into my home and into my life and share some of the things that I'm doing. I've done really well this last over a year. I've lost 50 pounds, eating healthy, done it all naturally, eating healthy, exercising by walking, and I'm feeling great. So I hope you come along with me and see what I've been doing to make these changes in my life to have a healthier, better me.